to my shop. What I'm going to do today is show you some of the drilling techniques that we use when doing exhaust manifold repair, but just about any kind of repair you're going to do. Learning how to drill is essentially show you some of the techniques that we talk about, because many times we get calls about drilling and how to drill, etc., drill bit breakage, all this stuff. All this stuff can be prevented, and I'm going to show you how to do that today. What we're going to do is we're going to show you first, our Pro Drill line are all machine grade tooling. That is, machine shops use this stuff. So you're bringing machine shop quality to your shop when you're using a ProMAXX kit. We have the Pro Drills, which is our gold standard. Here, 3-pack. We have the 2-pack for the 188s. We have our 266 standard for our extract drills kits. We're also going to show you our Pro Cutter, what that does to burrs the stud and gets it ready to be released. You can see that in our other videos as well, but we include in every kit that we send out our drill chart that shows you RPM, operating RPM for all of our PLT, which is our platinum bits, as well as our gold bits. So we're going to take a quick shot at drilling. Now, as you can see, most of you guys know that drilling a grade A bowl is not easy. I really like, in our setup, we always recommend our whip hose and our regulator that allows us to dial our speed down to what would be appropriate according to our chart. Each of our kits comes with a Pro Lube bottle, and it's got a nice cap that's got a small orifice in it to add some lubricant. We just poke that through there. You have one drop if you're doing sequential drilling. And I'll show you what we mean by drilling this thing. Now obviously, this is not underneath the hood of a car, up underneath the shock tower or firewall. So I've got a lot more room here than you would normally have, but the technique is going to be identical. What I want to do is I want to start my drill, and I want to tap it. There's a technique, bump, bump, or tap, tap, drill. I'm going to tap just about 3 or 4 times. So what's that doing? That's keeping my drill on center. All of our bits come with micro points machined in. There are actually 4 cutting edges on our bits. That's going to help you keep on center and keep it from drifting off center or drifting when you drill. I'll show you what we just did. When we're drilling an exhaust manifold stub, you have a bolt that's broken off at an angle, right? It's always usually an angle, never flat, unless we cut it off. But if it's broken at an angle, it's peaks and valleys and it's irregular. When I do this, it's going to keep my drill bit. If I drill through my bushing and I hit that stud that's at an angle, it's going to keep it on center. So I'm going to show you. Now, right now you can see I drilled down probably about 1/4 of an inch. I'll show you in a second, but that was about 7 seconds. Now, I can't pull my drill out now. The reason I can't pull my drill out is because our drills drill precisely, accurately, straight and true. There's no wobble. Most drill bits are stamped or clamped when they were made and formed, and that creates a little bend, and they wobble when they drill. You can't see it with the naked eye. It's usually about 6 to 7 thousandths of an inch, but ours are dead flat. Within 1/10,000th of an inch, so they're perfectly flat. So they're going to drill straight and true. To get this out, I have to pull the drill bit out by toggling it and get it on and off. Okay? That's how I drill it. You can see the chips that came out. There you go. You can see how quickly I drill. Now I'm going to show you something else. When we get ready, if this was an exhaust manifold, actual exhaust manifold repair, I would use my Pro Cutter. What does a Pro Cutter do? You can see the videos on our website in terms of what this does. It's made, we make it with a small arbor that sticks proud of this 4 cutting edge bit. And what it does, it allows us to go in, and that pilot that I just drilled holds that arbor dead center within 3/1000ths of an inch of dead center in your cylinder head. So what we're going to do is we'll use this to deburr the stud, because as you can appreciate, when a manifold stretches and warps and breaks the stud, it extends it, stretches it, breaks the center of the bolt first, unwinds the threads, and those threads degrade in that nice soft aluminum and lock it right in. Many times welding doesn't work because of that. Many times extractors break off because of that. What I'm going to show you is something that we add in most of our kits. It is optional in some, but we recommend it every single time when you're doing an exhaust manifold, because getting that burr clean, getting the head clean is essential. And you can see some examples again on our website. So let me show you what we're going to do. So I've got my Pro Cutter mounted. My arbor of my bit sticks proud, as I said before. That's designed to drop right into that hole I just drilled. Same deal, instead of running continuous like I do when I'm drilling, I'm going to bump my drill or tap it on and off quickly. 5 times is usually what it takes, and it's gonna clean the burr right off the stud and give you a nice, shiny, brand new look. It's gonna flatten it. In addition, because we have a slight interference between the cylinder head and that diameter, it's gonna clean out all that corrosion inside there as well. So you got a nice, clean area to remove the stud, burr-free, and it should come out relatively quickly. We always recommend that. So if you have any questions, we have technical support with our website, always available 24/7. Check out more about drilling techniques on our website or use of the Pro Cutter, etc. Or just give us a call. We're happy to help anytime.